Good morning to all. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. I, your language teacher Tapas sir, has come with a new lesson for Standard 4 students in grammar way. So, children, before I start this video, it is very important to say you that these videos are the lessons which are sure to come in your half yearly exam. So, please watch this video attentively at home and try to know what this video is all about or what the teacher is teaching or what he or she is saying in this video. If you not serious about this video, if you don't watch it seriously, you will not know the lesson, you will not clear your doubt regarding this lesson. So today lesson 8 in grammar way for standard 4 student I will teach. What is there in lesson 8? Let's see. Lesson 8 is about pronouns. So today lesson is about pronouns. Now we should know what is pronoun. Pronouns are the words used in place of nouns. Pronouns are the words it is used in place of a noun. That means when we don't use the noun, in place of that noun we use some or any sort of word that will represent that noun, it is said to be pronoun. So I will tell you which are the pronouns like I, he, she, it, you, his, her, they, them, their, our, etc. These are all pronouns which some way or other we use in place of a noun. Now let us know kinds of pronouns. There are two kinds of pronouns. They are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns. So in this lesson pronouns we will know about two kinds of pronoun, that is personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. First we start with personal pronoun. There are the pronouns that we use for refer to a person, a place, an animal or a thing is called personal pronoun. Means when we are using a pronoun in place of a person or a place, animal or thing, that type of pronoun is called personal pronoun. Means it is directly for a particular person, place and thing. So which are the pronouns we generally use for person? Like I, we, you, he, she, it and they. These are the pronouns which are generally comes under personal pronoun group. So these are the pronouns we use for person or a place, animal or a thing. Now the second one, or okay, here some of the pictures to show you about these personal pronouns. You can see. Okay, Megha and I are best friend. When you and along with you use any other name, your friend name or your brother or sister, anybody's name, that time in place of that noun and that pronoun, you see Megha is a noun and I is a pronoun. First sentence, Megha and I are best friend. In place of that Megha and I, in the second sentence, if I want to repeat that sentence to say anything about those Megha and I, then I have to use the pronoun we. We represent the pronoun or it is used for noun where I along with you somebody is there. Here you can see I is along with I, Megha is there. So in case of these two noun Megha and pronoun I, you can use pronoun we. We play together every evening. So we is the pronoun used in place of noun Megha and pronoun I. Next one, here you can see a dog is barking to a man. The sentence is the dog looks angry. It is barking at the stranger. Here a dog is an animal, so for that animal we have to use it. Here you cannot write he or she, it is for person. Here it is about animal, so you have to write it. So it is barking at the stranger, it is the pronoun. Now possessive pronoun, these are the pronouns used to show that something belongs to someone. Means if you want to show possession of something, you have to use this pronoun. Which are the pronouns that shows belongings or possession? You can see here, mine, our, your, his, hers and theirs are the pronouns which are used to show possession. Now how it is used? Here also some examples are there with some pictures. You see, okay, this ruler is mine. This ruler belongs to me, that's why I use the pronoun mine. Mine is the pronoun which is used when we want to show anything that you possess or possession of any particular thing you want to show, you use the pronoun mine. So this ruler belongs to me, that's why this ruler is mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. Next one is, this is my bag, where is yours? Means this boy is saying this is my bag. Then where is yours? Yours, you can see possessive pronoun always ends with s. You can see most of the pronouns, possessive pronoun, like your. Okay, in place of your you will write yours. Yours will show that it belongs to someone. That means possession. So yours is the possessive pronoun used in the second part of the sentence. So where is yours? Yours is the possessive pronoun. Next one, Farhan has a new bicycle. That blue bicycle is his. Farhan is a boy. As I told you, if you use man, woman, person, that time he, she, you can, or he is, him, you can use. Here being a boy, Farhan, I have to write in place of Farhan, or that cycle belongs to whom? Now Farhan belongs to Farhan. Farhan is a boy, so that blue cycle is his. His is the possessive pronoun that shows that that blue cycle belongs to Farhan. Here, those books on the tables are theirs. Here we can show you that when you want to say something about plural noun, means here you can see a group of children are standing in front of the table along with the books. So to show that they are more than one, you have to use there. There is THEIRS, theirs. Theirs shows that blue books on the tables belongs to them. Those the children are standing there belongs to them. So those books on the tables are theirs. Theirs is possessive pronoun. Now comes the exercise part of the lesson. A. Underline the pronouns in these sentences. Here some of the sentences are given. Each sentence has one or two pronouns. You have to find out and underline it. And I have done 5 of them for you. I gave you the book last month. Please return it tomorrow. Here pronoun I, you, it. These are the 3 pronouns present in the first sentence. I, you and it. Question number 2. We will meet you at the bus stop at 7 o'clock. We and you are the 2 pronouns in second sentence. We and you are the pronouns. Question number 3. She picked the injured bird and took it inside. She and it are the 2 pronouns in this question number 3. Pranab gifted her beautiful pen. She loved them. Her, she and them are the 2 or 3 pronouns in question number 4. Her, she and them are the 3 pronouns. Question number 5. He picked up the bag and kept it near the study table. He is the pronoun here. It is also a pronoun. In question number 5, he and it are the 2 pronouns. This is bit number A. Now we'll move on to bit number B. Circle the possessive pronouns and underline the nouns. Means if it is possessive pronoun, circle it. If it is a noun, underline it. First one is Hemant. Is this your book yours? Hemant is noun, so it is underlined. Yours is the possessive pronoun, so it is circled. Question number 2. Hemant said, "No, I forgot mine at home." Hemant is noun in this sentence. Mine is the possessive pronoun in this sentence. So mine is circled and Hemant is underlined. Question number 3. I borrowed this book from Maya. It's hers. Maya is the noun. Hers is the possessive pronoun. Hers, hers is the possessive pronoun, so it is circled. Question number 4. Karan and Arjun have brought their from home. Karan and Arjun have brought theirs from home. Here theirs is the possessive pronoun. Karan and Arjun are the nouns in the sentence. Deepa too has brought hers. Here Deepa is noun and hers is pronoun. Here here we are talking about the books. Deepa too has brought hers, means Deepa also brought her books. Here in the question of 4 also, Karan and Arjun have brought their from books. Means here we are talking about the books, because these sentences are all interlinked. We are talking here about the books. Hemant, Karan, Arjun, Deepa, they came to the class with their books. This is about bit number B. Now this lesson is over, children. It is a very important lesson. As I told you, pronoun. Pronoun are the words which we use in place of a noun, and pronoun are of also, I have told you, 2 types or 2 kinds, personal and possessive pronoun. Now it is your turn to watch this video, and related to this video I will give some text questions, exercise work, which is also with the answers. Please children, see this video again and again, as we are having enough time at home now, and prepare the exercise part thoroughly. Practice at home regularly. Take the help of your parents. If it is possible, you can ask to me if you are having any doubt. I don't think you have doubt. If any doubt you have in these lessons regarding text as well as the video, you can ask to me later on. I will always there to help you. Thank you children for watching this video. God bless you. Stay at home and obey your parents. Thank you.